This video provides general information about the group registration option for contributions to periodicals. This option is known as GRCP. What is GRCP? GRCP is a special procedure that may be used to register multiple works with one application and one filing fee. This option may only be used to register contributions to periodicals. What is a periodical? A periodical is a publication that is published on an established schedule, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Examples of periodicals include newspapers, magazines, journals, or similar types of works. Periodicals are published in successive issues, such as issue number 1, issue number 2, and so on. In most cases, each issue will be published under the same title. In most cases, each issue will be marked separately, usually by issue number or publication date. What is a contribution to a periodical? A contribution to a periodical is a work that has been published in a periodical. Common examples include a news story in a newspaper, a photograph in a magazine, or an article in a journal. Who may use the GRCP registration option? You may use this option to register your works if you satisfy the following requirements. All of the works must be created by the same author, and the author must be an individual rather than a company, business, or other legal entity. The works cannot be created as a work made for hire, but the copyright individual author for all may of the transfer works his or her copyright to the same person, to a company, or organization, or other legal entity, which in turn may use the GRCP registration option. The copyright claimant for all of the works must be the same person or organization. All of the works must be first published as a contribution to a periodical. All of the contributions must be published within a 12-month period. If any of the works were published before March 1, 1989, they must bear an appropriate copyright notice. If the works were published after that date, a copyright notice is not required. If your works do not satisfy these requirements, the office may refuse your application, or you may experience delays in the examination of your claim. How do I submit a claim? To register a group of contributions to periodicals, you must complete and submit an application through the Copyright Office's electronic registration system. You must pay a non-refundable filing fee. You must upload a digital copy of each work you want to register. Completing the application. To access the electronic registration system, go to the Copyright Office's website, log into your account, select the option for Register certain groups of published works, and then follow the instructions on each screen. Paying the non-refundable filing fee. Once you have completed the application, you must pay a non-refundable filing fee. The fee may be paid with a credit card, an electronic transfer from your bank account, or an active deposit account you have established with the Copyright Office. To pay by credit card or electronic transfer, you will be taken to a new screen to complete payment through the government website pay.gov. Uploading a copy of your works. You must submit a copy of each contribution precisely as it appears in the periodical where it was first published. You may submit one complete copy of the particular pages within the periodical, or you may submit one complete copy of the entire periodical. Or, if the contribution was published in a newspaper, you may submit one complete copy of the entire newspaper section. In all cases, you must submit a digital copy of each contribution. Each copy must be contained in a separate electronic file, and each file must be uploaded to the electronic registration system. Step-by-step instructions. The office has prepared videos that provides step-by-step instructions for completing the application, paying the filing fee, and uploading a copy of your works. To access these videos, visit the following pages on our website. Special exceptions. In exceptional cases, the Copyright Office may waive certain filing requirements. For example, if you do not have a computer, or if you do not have access to the Internet, you may ask the office to waive the online application requirement. You may also request a waiver if you are able to use the online application, but you are unable to submit your works in the precise form in which they were first published, or you are unable to upload digital copies of the works to the office's electronic registration system. A request for a waiver must be made in writing. It should explain why you are unable to submit an online application, or why you are unable to submit a digital copy of your works. The office will consider requests to waive filing requirements on a case-by-case basis. For more information concerning this option, please visit the office's website and download our circular, Copyright Registration of Contributions to Periodicals, number 62C. This publication explains the registration process and provides tips and tricks addressing common registration issues.